Hello everyone, my name is Amanjot Singh and I'm a LPU student of B.Ed and I'm going to explain circulatory system for the students of class 7th. Okay, let's move towards it. Firstly, circulatory system. What do we mean by circulation, circulatory? Circulation, pumping of blood through the entire body by the heart. Circulation is of three types: coronary circulation, pulmonary circulation and systematic circulation. The circulation of blood within the heart is coronary circulation. The blood which is only in the heart, moving in the heart, is coronary. And pulmonary circulation is the flow of blood between the heart and the lungs. And systematic circulation is the flow of blood between the heart and the cells of the body. Okay, what is circulatory system? Circulatory system carries blood and dissolved substances to and fro from different parts of the body. The heart has the job of pumping these things around the body. As our hearts pump blood throughout our body, our blood goes or even when we have an injury, our blood flows out because it has an energy that our heart is pumping it. That's why it bleeds out. Heart and blood vessels may throughout make a circulatory system. See, here's a diagram. And how does this system work? Firstly, uh, from the perspective from the heart, if we say the left part of the heart pump oxygenated blood and the right part of the heart pump deoxygenated blood. See how the blood moves as the transform of blood from lungs to the heart is pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein, that is pulmonary circulation. See, the blood is pumped throughout the body to head and arms, to different, to liver, to digestive system, to kidneys and legs, and oxygenated blood goes and deoxygenated blood comes back to the heart where it again pumped to the lungs, where lungs purify, convert deoxygenated blood to oxygenated blood, and then that blood is sent to heart to pump to the whole body the oxygenated blood. Our circulatory system is a double circulatory system. This means it has two parts, as I have already said. The right side of the system deals with deoxygenated blood and the left side of the system deals with oxygenated blood. See the same diagram, the lungs, the transferring or circulation of blood between lungs and heart and to the body and the cells of the body. And let's briefly learn about heart, how it works. See, here's the diagram of the heart. These are arteries. You can see the marked up here. They carry blood away from the heart, and coronary arteries the heart down on blood supply. See, our heart have two artery and two ventricles. Means these are the chambers. The upper two chambers are called arteries, and the bigger chambers are called ventricles. The heart has four chambers, as I've already said. This is a vein. See, it brings blood from the body except the lungs. Blood from the heart gets around the body through blood vessels. From word vessel, vessel is a medium in which blood travels. There are three types of vessels: arteries, veins and capillaries. And firstly, learn about capillaries. Arteries carry blood away from the heart. The elastic fibers allows the arteries to stretch under pressure. See, here's the diagram, the thick muscles and elastic fibers. Okay, these allows the arteries to stretch under pressure when there is more pressure of the blood. The thick muscles can contract to push the blood along, and these thick muscles can contract to push the blood, that to make the blood flow throughout the body, so that it doesn't stop flowing. Okay, let's see what are veins. Veins carry blood towards from the heart. Veins have valves which act to stop the blood from going in the wrong direction. thin muscle and elastic fibers. See, veins have thin muscles and elastic fibers. They are much more thinner than arteries. Body muscles surround the veins so that they contract to move the body. They also squeeze the vein and push the blood along the vessel. And what are capillaries? Capillaries link arteries with veins. They exchange materials between the blood and other body parts. See, here's the diagram of capillary. The wall of capillary is only one cell thick. They are very thick, and from one cell thick we can imagine that how thin they are. Only the one cell, the area of one cell is the only the thickness of the wall of a capillary. The exchange of material between the blood and the body can occur through the capillaries. The capillary, and let's briefly learn what are capillaries. Capillaries mainly turn oxygenated blood to deoxygenated and use the energy by consuming that oxygen. The collection of capillaries is known as capillary bed. See, there's a capillary bed, arteries and veins. See, blood, oxygenated blood comes from arteries and then it converted to deoxygenated blood and goes through the veins. These are some body cells as shown in this figure, and the link between them, the veins type, they are capillaries. What's in our blood? And let's learn about blood. What things that our blood has? Firstly, digested food, white blood cells, waste, which is in the form of urea, platelets, hormones, plasma, carbon dioxide, oxygen, and red blood cell, which is the main component of the blood, which gives it red color. See, here's the diagram which shows that which part of the blood are which. Like, these are red blood cells, these are platelets, and the medium in which they are traveling, they are plasma, and white, these white color things are white blood cells. Thank you. This is all about circulatory system.